Hello, my beautiful patrons. Today is Friday. It is the 16th of August. We are shining with kindness, gratitude, and love for our family, for ourselves, for our neighbor, for our friends, and for those strangers in our life. We are in zone 3. If you're an at-home homemaker, it's the last day in zone 3, the other room, whatever room you've chosen. Work for your 15 minutes. If you are decluttering, continue to throw away, put away, give away. And at the end of the 15 minutes, actually throw the trash away outside, put the giveaway in the back of the car, and put the other things in your other rooms or in that room where they go. If the other room or the room you're in doesn't have room to put it on the shelves yet or in the closet yet or in the drawers yet, that's okay. Put them in a box in the corner of the room, knowing the next time you're in this room, which will be 1 month, because every four or 5 weeks we're in zone 3, and you're going to go back to the same room. You're going to see that box and you're going to say, I need to clear the shelf so I can put that in there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work on that. Okay. All right. And we are doing car and purse today. Such an easy day, car and purse. If your car is a super wreck because you've never done this before and you haven't learned yet that you have to pick it up, not pass it up, you can't turn a blind eye to all the stuff in your car. You need to get a bag and maybe 2 bags. One is garbage. One is like a tote bag, and you put everything in there that belongs in the house, not in the car. It really doesn't belong in the car. If you bought your car brand new, you wouldn't want to see that in it.